Introducing 556 Green Street Residences, a delightful student accommodation in the vibrant city of San Francisco. Offering a variety of non-suites, this residence is a popular choice among students attending college in the city. The rooms feature large windows with blinds, allowing you to adjust the incoming light. The beds are exceptionally cozy, providing the perfect sleep after a long day of classes. Additionally, the rooms have a chest of drawers, adding to the available storage space. The shared kitchen has amenities like a cooktop, microwave, toaster, and more. Common amenities include free high-speed Wi-Fi, regular cleaning services, and a dedicated workspace. The property is located near prestigious institutions such as Hult International Business School and Golden Gate University. On your way to college, you can grab a quick cup of coffee from Compton's Coffee House or pick up dinner from Chubby Noodle. On the weekends, plan a getaway to Washington Park or go bar hopping with friends at the Showdown and the Boardroom. To travel farther distances, you can take a bus from any bus stop that will be super close to the property. Step into the next phase of your life by booking your stay at 55 Green Street Residences in San Francisco through amberstudent.com.